Hello students, this is a revision session on class 10 mathematics and today's topic is trigonometry. In this session we will revise the important concepts, formulas and also do some practice problems. Let's get started. First we'll see what is adjacent side, opposite side and hypotenuse. So consider the triangle ABC. Okay, here take the angle A. And the side that is nearer to adjacent to this angle A is AB. AB is the side that is adjacent to angle A. So AB is the adjacent side. And the side that is opposite to angle A is BC. So BC is the opposite side. And what is this side? CA. CA is the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is the longest side in the right triangle, that is CA. So AB is the adjacent side, BC is the opposite side and CA is the hypotenuse. Now we'll see the trigonometric ratios. So the trigonometric ratios are sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. Sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. So first we'll see sine. Sine of angle A. Let's take this angle A. Sine of angle A is opposite side by hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse. So opposite side by hypotenuse. Here what is the opposite side of angle A? That is side BC. This is the opposite side. So opposite side is BC divided by hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse, that is AC. So sine A is BC by AC, that is opposite side by hypotenuse. Next we will see cos A. Cos of this angle A is adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Cos of angle A is adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Here the adjacent side is AB. So adjacent side is AB divided by hypotenuse is again AC. So cos A is AB by AC, that is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Next is tan A. Tan A is opposite side by adjacent side. Tan A is opposite side by adjacent side. Here the opposite side is BC. Opposite side is BC and adjacent side is AB. Adjacent side is AB. So tan A is BC by AB or opposite side by adjacent side. So we have got the three trigonometric ratios, that is sine A, cos A and tan A. Sine A is opposite side by hypotenuse, cos A is adjacent side by hypotenuse and tan A is opposite side divided by adjacent side. Now we will see the remaining three, that is cosec, sec and cot. Here, cosec A. This cosec, sec and cot are the reciprocals of sine, cos and tan. That is cosec A is 1 by sine A. That is, first we wrote sine A as opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Opposite side was BC. And hypotenuse was AC. This was the hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse. So BC by AC is sine A. So what will be cosec A? That is the reciprocal of sine A, which will be hypotenuse divided by opposite side. Okay, hypotenuse divided by opposite side, that is AC divided by BC. AC divided by BC. Okay, that is cosec A, inverse of or reciprocal of sine A. Next is sec A. Sec A is the reciprocal of cos A. What was cos A? We wrote cos A as adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So what is the adjacent side? This is the adjacent side, that is AB. Divided by hypotenuse is AC. So sec A will be reciprocal of cos A, that is hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. Hypotenuse divided by adjacent side, which is equal to AC divided by AB. AC divided by AB. Now cot A will be the reciprocal of tan A. Tan A is opposite side by hypotenuse. Tan A is opposite side divided by adjacent side. Opposite side divided by adjacent side. That is, opposite side is given as BC, adjacent side is AB. Now what will be cot A? Cot A is the reciprocal of tan A, which is adjacent side divided by opposite side. Adjacent side divided by opposite side, which is equal to AB divided by BC. AB divided by BC. This is all about the trigonometric ratios, that is sin A, cos A, tan A, cosec A, sec A and cot A. Next we will see a problem. Given tan A equal to 4 by 3, find other trigonometric ratios of angle A. This is the angle A. It is given that tan A equal to 4 by 3. Okay, in the given triangle ABC, which is the adjacent side of A? Adjacent side of A is this side. This is the adjacent side. Now what is the opposite side of this angle A? Opposite side is this side, BC, opposite side. Okay, now what is AC? AC is the hypotenuse. Okay, now we'll write this. AB is the adjacent side of angle A. Now BC is the opposite side of angle A and AC is the hypotenuse. Okay. Now what is given? Tan A equal to 5 by 3. From the previous slide we learned what is tan. Tan of A is adjacent opposite side divided by adjacent side. Opposite side divided by adjacent side is tan A. Now in this given figure, which is the opposite side of angle A? That is BC. BC divided by what is the adjacent side? Adjacent side is AB. Okay. And in the given question, what is tan A? Tan A equal to 4 by 3. So this tan A can be written as 4 by 3. Now from this we get that BC equal to 4 and AB equal to 3. That is, this BC we can write it as 4 and AB, this AB we can write it as 3. Okay, from this triangle we get the sides AB is equal to 3 and BC equal to 4. Now we will find other trigonometric ratios of angle A. Now we will again draw this triangle. This is triangle ABC. This is adjacent side. This is opposite side. And this is hypotenuse. Now we have already found that BC equal to 4 and adjacent side AB equal to 3. Now what would be the hypotenuse AC? Okay, we have AB equal to 3 and BC equal to 4. What would be the hypotenuse AC? We know that by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square, that is AC square, equal to side of sum of square of other two sides, that is AB square plus BC square. This is the Pythagoras theorem, that is this side AC will be equal to sum of the square of other two sides, this square AB square plus this side, that is BC square. So this is AB is, what is AB? AB is 3. 3 square plus what is BC? BC is 4. 4 square. Now 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. So we get 25. That is AC square is equal to 25. Now what is AC? AC is root of 25. That is equal to 5. Now we got the hypotenuse AC as 5. Now in the given triangle we got all the sides. That is AB equal to 4, BC equal to 4, AB equal to 3, BC equal to 4 and AC is 5. Now what we have to find? We have to find all the other trigonometric ratios. That is sin A, cos A, tan A and also cosec, sec and cot. Now what is sin A? Sin A is opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So what is the opposite side? That is 4. What is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is 5. Sin A is 5. Now cos A. Cos A equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. What is the adjacent side? Adjacent side is 3 and hypotenuse is 5. Now next is tan A. Tan A is already given in the question, that is 4 by 3. Now we'll find the remaining trigonometric ratios, that is cosec A, sec A and cot A. I have already said that cosec A is the reciprocal of sin A. So this will be, cosec will be 5 by 4. Sec A is the reciprocal of cos A. So the reciprocal of 3 by 5, that is 5 by 3. And cot A is the reciprocal of tan A. Tan A is 4 by 3. Therefore its reciprocal is 3 by 4. These are the trigonometric ratios we have to find. In a right triangle ABC, right angle at B, if tan A equal to 1, then verify that 2 sin A cos A equal to 1. Okay, we'll draw right triangle ABC and it is said that it is right angled at B. So this angle is 90 degree. And also given that tan A equal to 1. So we have already discussed what is tan of an angle, tan A. Tan A is opposite side divided by adjacent side. So in this triangle, if this is angle A, then which is the adjacent side? This side, that is AB is the adjacent side. And this side BC is the opposite side. And AC is the hypotenuse. Okay, so here this is opposite side by adjacent side, that is BC divided by AB. Now it is given that tan A equal to 1. So this tan A is equal to 1. From this we get that BC by AB equal to 1. This thing. Okay. So what is it? Cross multiplying, we get BC equal to AB. So we get BC equal to AB. What is BC? BC is this side and AB is the adjacent side. Now since they are equal, we can put it as a constant K. Okay. It's an arbitrary constant K. Now what we'll do is we'll find the third side, that is hypotenuse AC. Okay, how we'll find AC? That is by Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to the square sum of the square of other two sides, that is AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square, that is equal to, what is AB? AB we wrote it as K and also BC is K, that is K square plus K square, which is equal to 2K square. Now AC is, when if AC square equal to 2K square, then AC is root of 2K square, that is equal to root 2 into K. Okay, now we got this side is K, This side is k and the hypotenuse is root 2k. Now we have to verify that 2 sin a cos a equal to 1. That is, we'll draw this again here. A, B, C. This is k, and this is root 2k. We have to find 2 sin a cos a equal to 1. Now what is sin a? Sin a is 2, this is 2 into sin a is opposite side by hypotenuse. This is the opposite side, that is BC, by hypotenuse is AC. AC is the hypotenuse, into cos A is adjacent side by hypotenuse. AB is the adjacent side. This side AB is the adjacent side. AB divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AC. AC. That is, this is the LHS. That is, LHS is 2 sin A cos A. And that is equal to 2 into BC by AC into AB by AC. Now this is 2 into, what is BC? BC is K, divided by AC is root 2K, into what is AB? AB is K and AC is root 2K. Now this is 2K square in the numerator, and in the denominator root 2 into root 2, that is root 2 into root 2 is 2. And next k into k is k square. That is 2k square by 2k square, that is equal to 1. Now what is RHS? RHS is, this is the RHS. RHS is 1. Now we got LHS equal to 1 and RHS equal to 1. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Hence proved. Okay. If 3 cot A equal to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. First we'll draw a right triangle ABC. This is right angle at B. Now this is the adjacent side. This side is the opposite side, that is BC, and AC is the hypotenuse. Now it is given that 3 cot A equal to 4. 3 cot A equal to 4. Then what is cot A? That is cot A equal to 4 divided by 3. Cot A equal to 4 divided by 3. From this we will get tan A. This is cot A. So how we'll get tan A from cot A? That is the reciprocal of cot A gives tan A. That is the reciprocal of 4 by 3, which is 3 by 4. Okay, now we know that what is tan A? Tan A is opposite side divided by adjacent side. Okay, in this triangle the opposite side is, this is angle A, so opposite side is BC and the adjacent side is AB. So this tan A is we got as 3 by 4. So from this we get BC equal to 3, AB equal to 4. Therefore this BC equal to 3 and AB equal to 4. Now we will find the hypotenuse AC. From the Pythagoras theorem we know that AC square equal to sum of the square of other two sides, that is BC square plus AB square, which is equal to, this is 3, this is 4. Therefore 3 square plus 4 square, which is equal to 9 plus 16, that is equal to 25. Therefore AC square is 25. That means AC is root of 25 and root of 25 is 5. Now we got AC. AC, that is the hypotenuse AC is 5. Now we will see the LHS and RHS separately. What is LHS? 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. LHS equal to 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A. Okay, now we already got tan A as 3 by 4. Okay, now we'll solve this. That is, put tan A as 3 by 4. That is 1 minus tan square A. That is, tan A is 3 by 4. Therefore, tan square A is 3 square by 4 square. That is equal to 9 by 16. So, put it here. Tan square A is 9 by 16 divided by 1 plus, again, tan square A is 9 by 16. Now we'll find the LCM. How we'll find? This is 1 by 1, this is 1 by 1. Now first here we'll find the LCM, that is 1 into 16 minus 9 into 1. 9 into 1, and the LCM is, the denominator is 1 into 16. 1 into 16 divided by, here again, 16 into 1. 16 into 1 plus 1 into 9. 1 into 9, and the denominator is 1 into 16. 1 into 16. This is equal to 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is 7 divided by 1 into 16 is 16 divided by, here again, 16 plus 9, 25 divided by 1 into 16, that is 16. Now, when dividing a fraction, what we'll do? 7 by 16 multiply by the reciprocal of this term. 7 by 16 into 16 by 25. Now 16 got cancelled. This is equal to 7 by 5. Therefore LHS we got as 7 by 5. Now we'll see, check the RHS. So we got LHS as 7 by 5. Now we'll see the RHS. What is the RHS? RHS is in the question, that is cos square A minus sin square A. Now from this figure, what is sin A and cos A? Sin A is opposite side divided by hypotenuse. That is, here the opposite side is BC, that is given as 3. And the hypotenuse is AC, and that is given as 5. Now what is again cos A? Cos A is adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Here the adjacent side is in the figure C. The adjacent side is AB. AB is 4, and again the hypotenuse is 5. Okay, now we'll substitute here. That is RHS equal to cos square A minus sin square A. That is this square minus this square. That is 4 by 5 square is cos square A minus sin square A is 3 by 5 square. And this is equal to 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25 minus 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25. Now the denominator is common, so we can take 16 minus 9 divided by 25. Again this is equal to 7 by 25. This is the RHS. Now we got LHS as 7 by 25. This is 7 by 25. And RHS also we got as 7 by 25. Therefore LHS equal to RHS, hence proved. Here we'll see the next is trigonometric ratios of some specific angle. Okay, some specific angles are given, that is 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. So the trigonometric ratios of these angles are given, that is sin A is 0 for 0 degree, for 30 degrees sin A is 1 by 2, that is sin 30 is 1 by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2, sin 90 is 1. And for cos A, cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2, cos 90 is 0. Again tan A is 0, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, tan 45 1, tan 60 root 3 and tan 90 is not defined. Okay, so you have to by heart this table. Now for cos A, sec A and cosec A, cot A, cosec A, sec A and cot A, that is the reciprocal of sin A, cos A and tan A. Okay, sin A is 0. So what will be cosec A? Cosec A will be the reciprocal 1 by 0. 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is not defined. That is, denominator is 0. Any fraction with denominator 0 is not defined. Therefore, cosec A is not defined. Now, cos A is 1. Then what is sec A? Reciprocal of 1 is 1. And cot A, since tan A is 0, cot A will be 1 by 0. That is not defined. Similarly, we will find all the other angles. Okay, now you have to by heart this table. Now I'll write it once again. That is cos sin A and cos A. This is 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Okay, those who haven't studied yet, study with me now itself. Okay, sin A. First we'll write sin 0. Sin 0 is 0 and sin 90 is 1. Okay, for cos A it will be cos 0 is 1 and cos 90 is 0. Okay, 0, 1 and 1, 0. Now we'll write for 45 degree. Sin A is 1 by root 2. Cos A is also 1 by root 2. Okay. Next we'll write for 30 degree and 60 degree. For sin A, that is equal to 1 by 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 and sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Okay. Now for cos we take first this. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Okay. And 60 is, we'll write this 1 by 2. This is sin A and cos A. Now we'll write about tan A. Tan A's first term is 0. Tan 0 is 0. Then 1 by root 3. Okay, 30 is, tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Next will be 1. Okay. And 60 will be root 3. And 90 is not defined. Okay. So if you study sin, cos and tan, remaining will be the reciprocals. Cosec, sec and tan, cot would be the reciprocal of this. So study sin, cos and tan. Okay, now we'll do some problems related to these trigonometric ratios. In triangle ABC, right angled at B, AB equal to 5 cm, angle ACB equal to 30 degree, determine the length of sides BC and AC. This is a right triangle ABC, right angled at B. And given that AB equal to 5 cm. This is the side AB which is 5 cm and angle ACB, which is this angle is 30 degree. Determine the length of side BC and AC. We have to find the length this side BC and also this side AC. Now this is angle C. Now therefore BC is the adjacent side, side adjacent to angle C. And this is the opposite side. Okay, opposite side of angle C. And the third is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is always opposite to the right angle. Okay, hypotenuse is always opposite side of this right angle. Now we'll take the trigonometric ratio, that is tan. What is tan C? Tan of C is, we know that tan of an angle is opposite side divided by adjacent side. Opposite side divided by adjacent side. Okay, here tan C, angle C is given, that is tan of 30 is opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is 5 and adjacent side we have to find. Adjacent side is, here it is BC, 5 divided by BC. Now what is BC? Take this here. BC equal to 5 divided by tan 30. Now from the table we have tan 30. See the table, tan 30 is 1 by root 3. This is equal to 5 into, when we do divide fraction, we will multiply by the reciprocal of this. That is, reciprocal of 1 by root 3 is root 3 by 1. And BC, therefore BC is equal to 5 root 3. Therefore BC is equal to 5 root 3. Now we got this as 5 root 3. Now we have to find the hypotenuse AC. That is, one side is 5, second side is 5 root 3. Okay, this is A, B, C. This side is 5. This side is 5 root 3. Now we have to find, sorry, this is A, this is B. Okay. Now we have to find AC. Okay, therefore AC square by Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. That is AB is 5. Therefore 5 square plus BC is 5 root 3 and its square. This is 5 square is 25 plus this is 5 square into root 3 square. This is 5 square into root 3 whole square. 5 square is 25 and root 3 square. What is root 3 square? Root 3 square is 3. Okay, this is 25 into 3. Now this is 25 plus 25 into 3 is 75 and that is equal to 100. Therefore AC square equal to 100. Now we got AC as root of 100. That is equal to 10. So this is 10 centimeter. AC is 10 centimeter. So the final answer is BC equal to 5 root 3 centimeter and AC equal to 10 centimeter. This is the final answer. If sin A minus B equal to 1 by 2, cos A plus B equal to 1 by 2, A plus B is in between 0 degree and 90 degree and A greater than B, find A minus B. Okay, it is given that sine of A minus B equal to half and cos of A plus B equal to half. Okay, so first we will write the trigonometric ratios of sine and cos. That is sine, this is cos, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, then 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, so this is 0, 1, 1, 0. This is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. This is 1 by 2, root 3 by 2. Here it is root 3 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay, this is the table. So from this table, sine of A minus B equal to half. So in the sine table, see where is half. This is half. That is sine of 30 degree is equal to half. Okay, from the table we get sine of 30 degree equal to half. Okay, now comparing these two equations, what we get? Sine of A minus B equal to half, sine of 30 degree equal to half. That means this A minus B is equal to 30 degree. Comparing both this equation, we get A minus B equal to 30 degree. This is the first equation. Now we'll see cos A plus B equal to half. Now in the cos table, see where is 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. That is cos of 60 degree equal to 1 by 2. Okay, cos of 60 degree equal to 1 by 2. Now comparing these two, cos of A plus B equal to 1 by 2, cos of 60 equal to 1 by 2. Now comparing these two equations, we get A plus B is equal to 60 degree. Therefore A plus B equal to 60 degree. Now we got two equations, and from these two equations we can find A and B. That is A minus B equal to 30 degree and A plus B equal to 60 degree. So from these two equations we can solve this equation. That is how we will solve this equation. Add equation 1 and 2. That is add each term A plus A, that is 2A. Next is minus B plus B, that is 0, equal to 30 degree plus 60 degree, that is 90 degree. Now 2A equal to 90 degree, therefore A is 90 divided by 2, which is equal to 45 degree. So we got A as 45 degree. Now to find B. To find B, substitute A in any of these two equations. I will substitute for A in this equation, that is A minus B equal to 30 degree. What is A? A is 45. Now we got as 45. 45 minus B equal to 30 degree. Now take B to other side and 30 to this side. That is 45. 30 is taken this side. Therefore it becomes minus 30 equal to B is taken to other side. That minus B becomes plus B. Okay. Therefore B equal to 45 minus 30, or that is 15 equal to B, or you can write as B equal to 15 degree. Okay. Now we got both A and B. Therefore the final answer is A equal to 45 degree and B equal to 15 degrees. This is the final answer. Evaluate sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. Okay, for this we will again write this table of sin and cos. This is 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. This is 0 and 1, 1 and 0, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, 1 by 2. Now from this table we can take these values. First is sin 60 into cos 30. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. That is sin 60 is root 3 by 2 into cos 30. This is cos 30. That is root 3 by 2. Plus sin 30. This is sin 30, which is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Now this is equal to root 3 into root 3 divided by 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1 divided by 2 into 2. This is root 3 into root 3 is 3 divided by 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1 divided by 4. Here the denominators are same, so we can write as 3 plus 1 divided by 4. That is 4 divided by 4, that is equal to 1. So 1 is the answer. If tan A plus B equal to root 3 and tan A minus B equal to 1 by root 3, 0 degree less than A plus B less than or equal to 90 degree and A greater than B, find A minus B. So here we will see the table for tan. Tan 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. This is tan 0 is 0, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, 45 is 1, root 3 not defined. Okay, from this table we will find the first we will see what is tan A plus B equal to root 3. Tan of A plus B, this is given as root 3. So and next is tan A minus B. Okay, first we'll find this root 3. From this table, where is root 3? This is root 3 and that is tan of 60. Okay, tan of 60. So we can write that tan of 60 equal to root 3. Now we can compare these two equations. Now what we get? Tan of A plus B equal to root 3, tan of 60 equal to root 3. That means A plus B is equal to 60 degree. A plus B equal to 60 degree. This is the first equation. Next, it is given that tan A minus B equal to 1 by root 3. Tan A minus B equal to 1 by root 3. Okay, from this table, this is 1 by root 3. And 1 by root 3 is, what is 1 by root 3? Tan of 30 degree. Okay, therefore, tan of 30 degree equal to 1 by root 3. Now we will compare these two equations. This is already given in the question. This we found out from the table. Now from this we get tan of A minus B equal to 1 by root 3, tan 30 equal to 1 by root 3. That means A minus B equal to 30 degree. That is A minus B equal to 30 degree. Now we got two equations. We will solve these two equations to find A and B. Okay, now a plus b equal to 60 and a minus b equal to 30. We'll add these two equations. That is, add each term, that is a plus a, which is 2a, minus plus b minus b, that is 0. This is equal to 60 plus 30, that is 90. Or a equal to 90 divided by 2, that is equal to 45 degrees. Now we got a. Now we'll substitute for a in this equation, that is a plus b equal to 60. Now what is a? A is 45 degree. Now we just got a as 45 degree. Now plus b equal to 60 degree and b is equal to 60 minus 45, that is equal to 15 degree. Now we got the answer as a equal to 45 degrees and b equal to 15 degrees. This is the final answer. Next we'll see the trigonometric identities. So these three are the trigonometric identities, that is cos square a plus sin square a equal to 1, 1 plus tan square a equal to sec square a, cot square a plus 1 equal to cosec square a. So you have to learn these trigonometric identities. And one more thing I have to say is the relation between sine, cos and tan. That is tan of a is equal to sine a divided by cos a. Okay. Now this is the relation between sine, cos and tan. Next we'll see the problems. Prove that cot a minus cos a divided by cot a plus cos a equal to cosec a minus 1 divided by cosec a plus 1. Okay, first let's take the LHS. Cot a minus cos a divided by cot a plus cos a. Now we have already discussed that tan a is equal to sin a by cos a. So what will be cot a? Cot a will be the reciprocal of tan a, which is equal to cos a divided by sin a. Okay, cot a is the reciprocal of tan a. Now cot a is, we can write in terms of cos and sin, that is cos a divided by sin a minus, this is cos a, divided by, what is cot a again? It is cos a divided by sin a plus cos a. Now here we'll first do this, that is the denominator is, we'll take the LCM as sin a. Okay, and in the numerator this becomes cos a into 1, that is cos a, minus this becomes sin a cos a, sin a cos a. Okay, divided by, now we'll see this denominator. Here it is cos a minus 1, therefore the LCM is sin a into 1, that is sin a. Okay, in the numerator it will be cos a into 1, that is cos a, plus sin a into cos a, sin a cos a. Okay, we'll write the next remaining in the next slide. Now this can be written as cos a minus sin a cos a divided by sin a into what will take the reciprocal of this term, that is sin a divided by cos a plus sin a cos a. Now this sin a and this sin a got cancelled. Now this is equal to cos a minus sin a cos a divided by cos a plus sin a cos a. Here see in the numerator there are two terms, cos a minus sin a cos a. In these two terms cos a is common, so take cos a as common term. So what is remaining? In the first term remaining is 1. In the second term the remaining term is sin a. Okay, now Again we do the same thing in the denominator. There are two terms, and in these two terms cos A is common, so take cos A as a common term, and the remaining term here, when we take cos A as common, the remaining term is 1, and in this the remaining term is sin A, 1 plus sin A. So cos A got cancelled. This is 1 minus sin A divided by 1 plus sin A. This is the LHS. Now we'll check the RHS. What is the RHS given in the question? Cosec A minus 1 divided by cosec A plus 1. Now what is cosec A? Cosec A is the reciprocal of sin A, that is 1 by sin A minus 1 divided by, again cosec A is 1 by sin A plus 1. So this is, first we'll see the numerator. This is 1 by 1. So what is the LCM here? LCM is sin A. Now what we'll do this? This is 1 into 1 minus sin into 1, that is sin A divided by, again here in the denominator this is 1. Now the LCM is sin A. Here it is 1 into 1 plus sin A plus 1, sin A into 1, that is sin A. Now this is equal to 1 minus sin A divided by sin A. Now into, now this, when we multiply this denominator, we take the reciprocal, that is sin A divided by 1 plus sin A. This term is the reciprocal of this denominator. Okay. Now what happens? Here this sin A and sin A got cancelled. Remaining term is 1 minus sin A divided by 1 plus sin A. So this is the RHS. Now what we got as LHS? LHS also we got as 1 minus sin A by 1 plus sin A. So here we get LHS equal to RHS. Hence proved. Okay. Now we'll see the next question. 9 sec square A minus 9 tan square A equal to. Okay, in this question, first what is sec A? Sec A is the reciprocal of cos A, that is 1 by cos A. And what is tan A? Tan A, we already discussed that it is sin A divided by cos A. Okay. Now we'll put in this here, that is 9 into sec A is 1 by cos A, 1 by cos A, sec square is 1 by cos A square, minus 9 into tan square A is sin A by cos A whole square. This is 9 into 1 by, this is cos A whole square, that can be written as cos square A, minus 9 into sin A by cos A whole square, that means sin square A divided by cos square A, sin square A divided by cos square A. Now this is 9 by cos square A minus 9 sin square A by cos square A. Here the denominator in the both the terms is cos square A, so this is cos square A. Now what is the numerator? 9 minus 9 sin square A. So here 9 is in the numerator, there are two terms. In these two terms 9 is common, so we can take it common term. So here what is remaining? 1 minus, when we take 9 outside, the remaining is sin square A, sin square A divided by cos square A. Now here we have to use the trigonometric identity. What is the trigonometric identity? First identity we studied is cos square A plus sin square A equal to 1. So we can write cos square A as, take this to other side, that is 1 minus sin square A. Okay, now we'll substitute this here. 1 minus sine square A is cos square A. So in the bracket we have 1 minus sine square A. That is, we can replace this by cos square A divided by, in the denominator we have cos square A. So in the numerator cos square A and the denominator cos square A got cancelled and we get 9 as the answer. So what we have done here, first we replaced ck by 1 by cos A, tan A by sin A by cos A. Okay. Then at last we have put the identity, that is cos square A plus sin square A equal to 1. Therefore cos square A equal to 1 minus sin square A. Thus the answer is 9. 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A equal to. Okay. Here first we will see what is tan A. Tan A is sin A divided by cos A. And what would be cot A? Cot A would be the reciprocal, that is cos A divided by sin A. Okay, now we'll substitute here 1 plus tan square A, that is sin A by cos A whole square, divided by 1 plus cot square A, this is cot A, that is cos A by sin A whole square. Now this is equal to 1 plus sin A by cos A whole square can be written as sin square A divided by cos square A. In the denominator it is 1 plus cos A by sin A whole square. This can be written as cos square A divided by sin square A. Cos square A divided by sin square A. Now we will see the numerator. This is 1 by 1 plus sin square A by cos square A. Now the numerator in this term the LCM is cos square A. Now we will add this, that is 1 into cos square A, 1 into cos square A, that is cos square A, plus next is 1 into sin square A, that is sin square A, divided by, now we will see this denominator, what is this 1 by 1 plus cos square A by sin square A. So the LCM will be sin square A. Now what we will do, 1 into sin square A, that is sin square A, plus next is 1 into cos square A, that is cos square A. Here we have to use the identity. What is this? Cos square A plus sin square A equal to 1, or sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1, both are same. So this is 1, this term cos square A plus sin square A, here sin square A plus cos square A, both are same. Okay, if we take this in this way also, both are same. Okay, so these two terms becomes 1, that is 1 by cos square A divided by, this term is again 1 by sin square A. We have used this identity. Now this is equal to 1 by cos square A. Now we take this into the numerator, that is into the reciprocal of this term, that is sin square A by 1. This is sin square A divided by cos square A, or it can be written as sin A divided by cos A whole square. Okay, that is numerator square divided by denominator square. We can take it as whole square. Okay, what is sin A by cos A? We have already discussed sin A by cos A is equal to tan A. So this is tan A whole square. Okay, tan A whole square can be written as tan square A. Okay, tan A whole square is equal to tan square A. This is the answer. This is a homework question for you. In triangle ABC, right angled at B, tan A equal to 1 by 2. Then the value of sin A is equal to. Options are A 1 by 5, B 1 by root 5, C 2, D 1 by root 2. So comment your answer below. So in this chapter we have discussed what is hypotenuse, adjacent side, opposite side. Then we have discussed the trigonometric ratios, sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. Then we discuss the trigonometric ratios of specific angle, that is sine, cos, tan of specific angles like 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Then we discuss the trigonometric identities. So the trigonometric identities are cos square x plus sine square x equal to 1, 1 plus tan square x equal to sec square x, cot square x plus 1 equal to cosec square x. So this is the today's session. If you found this session helpful, please like this session. We'll come with more sessions. Thank you.